Hi again, everyone. This is Phil again with Maintain Moto. Let's take a look at the MotoTracker software import and export facility to help you maintain your records for your vehicle. A lot of you keep your current records in Excel or another spreadsheet, and so we have a template here to help you import those records and bring your records completely up to date. So let's take a look again at our sample bike, which is a 2018 BMW. I'm going to export this CSV file, and I'm going to put it here, service history. Let's call it K1600. So I'm going to export that. That's going to create a template now for the K1600. So it's going to list all of the maintenance requirements. I'll just make all these columns wide. Okay, so here's everything that needs doing. And I can go in here and give a service date. So let's just do one example. The 600-mile run-in check, so your first service, let's just say that that was done at 1/5/2019. And the odometer was 682. And it cost me $300 back in the day. And it was performed by, let's say, Go AZ. Okay, I could take all these records from your current spreadsheet, populate this spreadsheet. I'll save this, get out of Excel. Let's go back and import these records. So tell it where to get this K1600 service history spreadsheet. It's going to import it. And let's take a look at the service history. So it's going to say, there you go. There's my run-in check, 682 miles. $300, added $300 to the top, and work was performed by Go AZ. So a lot of you keep your records in spreadsheets. This is an easy way to get all those old records out of your spreadsheets and load it up into Maintain Moto. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and especially comment, because